Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Kohli and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this tutorial I will show you that how you can create this UFO abduction scene in PowerPoint 2016, and I hope you will like this tutorial. And this animation is inspired from one of the animation by Sergio at codepen.io website. And have a look at the animation first. And here we have this UFO with the alien, where you can see that UFO is moving up and down, and the eyelash of the alien appear and disappear, and then this flashlight appears which try to abduct this man here. And when the man moves upward, then you can see his hand is swinging in the air and his head also move, and when the man fall down back, the base is move upward and then settle back. That is what we have to accomplish here in PowerPoint, and I think I have made a little bit like the same. So I hope you can make it much better by using some more animations of PowerPoint 2016. So let's get started, and first of all I will open the animation pane from the animations tab and will delete all these animations. Maybe totally 17 animations has been used to accomplish this scene here. So I am going to select the first one, holding down the shift key, and then selecting the last one and hitting the delete key. So first of all we will apply the animation on the UFO. And for that, and if you open the selection pane, then you can see all the object names that I have drawn using the shape tools. So first of all I will animate this UFO here, and for that go to the animations, add animation, more motion path, and this time I am going to apply down motion path, and you have to adjust the path length, and it will be a very short path here. And as you can see, when you try to shorten the path in PowerPoint, then it moves back to the starting position automatically. So you have to do it very carefully. I need just a little bit length here. Now I am going to adjust the effect options here, and for that I will set it to play with previous with a duration of 1 second, and no delay timings, and default smoothness, and I will also use auto reverse for this effect. I want to move this UFO a little bit down and then reverse back to its original position, and want to repeat this effect until end of the slide. Hit the OK key. That's fine. Our next effect will be on UFO light, and for that I will select this light, go to the animations, add animation, and apply fade in effect. Set it to play with previous with a duration of 0.50 seconds and a delay timing of 1 second. So after 1 second this light will appear. The next animation will be on body and legs, and here we have this object body with legs, and for that I will apply the up motion path again, up, and I will adjust the length of this motion path to right here. Set it to play with previous and a duration of 1.50 seconds and a delay timing of 1 second. Open the effect option window, and I don't want any smoothness for this effect. Hit the OK key. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. And then again on body and legs I will apply the down motion path. I want the body to reverse back to its original position, but with a little bit delay. So in PowerPoint, if you apply the auto reverse, and when the animation will complete in 1.5 seconds, then it will immediately reverse it to its original position. That is not what I want, and I want to add a little bit delay between up and down motion path. So I am not going to use auto reverse for this. Instead I will apply a separate motion path, and that will be down motion path, and its starting point will be the ending point of the up motion path right here, and its ending point will be the starting point of the up motion path, like that. Okay, now set it to play with previous and set it duration to 0.25. I want this body and leg to immediately go down, so I am applying a very short duration here, and the delay timing of this effect will be 2.5. I want the body to come back after 2.50 seconds. Now we are going to apply the same effect on the hand. So let me show you the preview. So as the body is moving upward, I want the hand to move upward with the body and come back as the body is coming down. So for that, I no longer need to apply the same motion path to the hand as well. Instead, I will select the body and legs, go to Animations tab, click Animation Painter, and then click on the hand. Let's see the slideshow. Okay, that's fine. And the same will be for the head. And I will select this hand, go to the Animation Painter, click it once, and then click on the head. Let's see the preview again. Now all the three objects are moving. So the next step is to move the hand when it moves upwards. I want the hand to swing in the air, so I will apply different spin effects to the hand. And for that, select the hand, click the add animation, apply spin animation, set it to play with previous, and for our first spin I will add a duration of 0.15 seconds with the delay timing of 1 second. That is when the body will start moving upwards. Open the effect option window of this effect and set it rotation to 15° counterclockwise. Again, select the hand, apply the spin effect, set it to play with previous with the duration of 0.15 seconds with the delay timing of 1.15 seconds. And this time I will apply 15° clockwise rotation. Again, select the hand, spin, set it to play with previous with the duration of 0.15 seconds with the delay timing of 1.30 seconds with the rotation of 15° counterclockwise. And that will be the last. Add spin, set it to play with previous with the duration of 1.5 seconds with the delay timing of 1.45 seconds, and this time the rotation will be 5° clockwise. Let me show you the preview. As the body is moving in the air, the hand is swinging in the air. Set it rotation to 35° counterclockwise. Let me show you the slideshow. So what I need next is to move the hand back to its original position when the body and hand and head came down. So the last time I am again going to apply the spin effect, set it to play with previous with the duration of 0.25 seconds and a delay timing of 2.50 seconds. Okay, let me set it to 30° clockwise. Hit the OK key and see the preview. Okay, what I need next is I want this head to spin a little bit and go down the body when it move upwards along with the body and legs and hand. Let me show you that. As you can see that the head is still here and in the same position it is moving upward. What I want is a little bit curve here when it move upwards. Let me show you the original animation, and here you can see that when the head move upwards it also make a curve below the hand. So that is what I need to accomplish here, and for that I will again apply the spin effect on the head, set it to play with previous with the duration of 0.25 seconds, a duration of 1.50 seconds and with the delay timing of 1 second. And For the head, I will apply 15-degree clockwise rotation first, and again on the head I will apply spin effect, set it to play with previous, and a duration of 0.25 seconds and a delay timing of 2.50 seconds. And this time I want to rotate this head to 15-degree counterclockwise. So let's see the preview. Okay, that's fine. So you can add more spin and motion path to make the effect more realistic. And next thing is to add effect to UFO light. I want this light to disappear at a duration of at a delay timing of 2.50 seconds, and for that I will apply fade out effect, set it to play with previous, set a duration of 0.50 seconds and a delay timing of 2.50 seconds is fine here. Now we will move to the base, and what I want the base to move a little bit up when the body fall down, and for that I will apply motion path, up motion path, and set the path length here, a little bit path. I want to move it a little bit, just a little bit, like that. Set it to play with previous, set a duration of this base to 0.12 seconds and a delay timing of 2.70 seconds. That is when the body will fall down. Open the effect option window and set it to auto reverse, and I don't want any smoothness for this effect. Hit the OK key and let's see the slideshow. I think that's fine. Let me shorten the length to 0.10 seconds. Okay, the last thing we have to do is to make this eyelash more realistic, and what I need here is I want this eyelash to move along with the UFO, and for that I will select this UFO, click the animation painter once and then click on the eyelash. Okay, let me show you the slideshow, and you can see that now it is moving along with the UFO. And then I want to make this eyelash disappear in the beginning, and for that I will apply the disappear effect, set it to play with previous with the delay timing of 0.50 seconds, and after 0.50 it will disappear and the alien will try to lift the man upwards. And in the end you can make this eye appear again, and for that go to add animation, more entrance effect, and this time apply peek in effect and set it to from top. Through the effect options, set it to from top, set it to play with previous, and add a delay timing of 2.50 seconds with a duration of 1.15 seconds. Okay, let's see the slideshow. Okay, that's fine. And if you want to make a loop of this animation, then go to slideshow, setup slideshow, and make a check mark on loop continuously until escape. Hit the OK key, and under the transitions tab go to advanced slide and uncheck on mouse click and make a check mark on after and apply a timing here. And what timing you should apply here will be the length of the one loop, and that will be around, as you can see here, 3.25 seconds, maybe around. So I am applying 3.50. So let's see the slideshow, and that will make a loop here, 3.50, and then again it will repeat the same animation. So I hope you will like this animation. Let me know by leaving your valuable comments in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.